What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today you're going to be designing with me some social media content for my client over at Business in a Box. She booked for the double feed social media content. What that means is she's going to get content sized appropriately for story posting as well as timeline posting. This is a really cool and new marketing tool used by a lot of different industries to be sure that we're able to keep up with all the different changes in social media. We're able to post on our stories, we're able to post reels, we still have our authentic timeline posts, and we want to be able to utilize those all to their fullest potential, and this is a great way. A few things you'll see me doing in this video is utilizing the Adobe Libraries tool. This tool is for saving assets out of projects into your Adobe Creative Cloud. These libraries are accessible on all of the Adobe Creative Cloud applications. You're able to utilize these different assets throughout all of them. I like to save different icons here, different swatches, different graphics maybe that I've gotten from Etsy and things like that that I'll use over and over again. This is a really cool way to make designing a lot faster and efficient for me, and I think it's a really cool tool for people to know about and how to utilize it. Thing I want to mention is my ability to maneuver through the Adobe Illustrator workspace a little bit easier. Adobe Illustrator allows you to save workspaces so that you can have any relevant tools like swatches, brushes, graphic symbols, and layers available right on the screen at all times. You're able to save these and customize them as things change with your design skills. You can save different ones based on what you work on. So maybe if you're doing photo editing, you'll have a workspace based on that. If you're doing some content creating, you'll have a workspace based on that. And all of these things make designing a lot easier for a graphic designer. for this video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share my videos. Leave comments below if there's any cool content you want to see me create or anything you want to learn. Be sure to check out my website and visit my courses so you can learn more things more in depth.